guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I thought I could show you 4 days here at my stay in Mexico. I will show you what I was eating, what I was doing, and yeah, just a simple vlog. So let's get into it. So the first thing I did was having food actually at the hotel before checking into the room. I had some shrimp tacos that I was sharing with my friend and a salad. And honestly, the location was so nice. It was so good to have food because I was starving after my flight. And then after I checked into my room, the room was so beautiful, like huge, and I had my own private beach, which was just amazing. I went for swims here every day. It's just wow, the view is just amazing and the beach is amazing. Well, and then after I had food and checked into the room, I went to the spa actually because I really needed to fix my nails, so I went for a mani-pedi. And honestly, it's one of the most relaxing mani-pedis I ever had. It was so good. And after my spa appointment, I went to the pool to relax a bit. Honestly, Mexico is so much more beautiful than I ever thought. I never thought I would actually go here, but it's so stunning. At least where I was, the hotel was beautiful and the service was just amazing. And yeah, then I decided to have a green juice at the beach because I love my green juices and it's so good to stay hydrated. I also decided to check out some other pools before later in the evening going for dinner. I took the boat to a super nice restaurant and I had some salad and some vegetables, edamame, and some sushi. I think it was a Vietnamese restaurant, but I don't even remember right now. And yeah, I had some wine because, you know, it's nice when you're on vacation to enjoy some wine. And yeah, the day after I started with a walk in the morning. I need to walk in the morning to wake up, and I saw a deer actually. There was so many animals here in Mexico. I love it. And then I went for breakfast. I usually don't eat croissants, but I like to have maybe a few bites of a croissant with my coffee in the morning. And then I had a salad with some smoked salmon. Just something light for breakfast before starting my day, as I decided to later have a shoot. First I was relaxing on the sunbed and then I decided to go to the beach and have a little photo shoot, as you can see here. And I mean, oh my god, the pictures came out so amazing and the videos. And yeah, this is just me making love to the camera, kiss kiss. And then after I went to have lunch again at the same place as I had lunch at when I arrived here. I love this place, they have amazing food. And I think I got like an obsession for shrimps during this trip because I was eating like literally only just shrimps almost. But yeah, they have really good seafood here. So I was sharing some tacos with my friend and I had a salad with some shrimps. And I like to have a light lunch so that I can go shopping after and not feel too full, you know. So yeah, after I went for shopping and then was looking around a bit before later in the evening having sushi at this super cool restaurant. They even had a show there. I had some taco sushi and some salad, some vegetables, edamame. It was so tasty and I enjoyed the sunset in the evening. And then, of course, as a person of habit, I went to the gym in the morning before having my breakfast. And, of course, I had shrimps for breakfast again and some salad. And then I went to a little discovery. I checked out a pyramid and a cenote. Wow, this video is going really fast. And then I was, yeah, enjoying the cenote, swimming a bit. And yeah, I mean, it was actually a cave here, but I refused to go in there because I'm claustrophobic, so I just enjoyed this place from outside. Super nice. And after, of course, I had to try some tequila, so I went for some tequila tasting before having lunch later at this super cute, so romantic restaurant with lots of vegetables around, and yeah, it's a vibe. And I had some mint tea first because I needed to digest my food better. And I had a salad and some shrimps again, oh my god. And then I went back to the hotel and I decided to have a little snack, some raspberries and a green juice, healthy. And then in the evening again I went for food at I don't even know what this restaurant was. I think it was like Thailand food, like Thai food. I had some chicken, some vegetables, a salad, of course, like always. And I enjoyed some wine in the evening as well. And then I did a little catwalk. And then apparently it was a category 5 storm, tornado, or whatever. So I thought it was a perfect opportunity to take some pictures because I was not too much affected by it. And then I went for a walk again the next day. And I chilled at a beach before deciding to make a workout video for you guys that I posted on my YouTube. Check it out. Then I had a late brunch, breakfast or lunch or whatever. I had shrimps again on this taco thing and a salad. Oh my god, so much. And then I went to the spa because I'm on vacation, so I just thought that it's been so stressful, I need a massage. And then again I went to take more pictures after this, a photo shoot looking sexy. And we were actually shooting pictures at this beautiful villa that we were allowed to borrow from the hotel. They were really nice. And then later in the evening I went for a drink actually. Because I also wanted to take some more pictures in this very cute outfit. I can never have enough pictures. And then, of course, I went for dinner in the evening. I decided to step up the game and have some beef for once with pita bread. And then I was dancing because I was drinking 2 shots of tequila and I decided to dance and it was good music. And yeah, that's it for now, guys. 4 days of my vacation here in Mexico. I hope you enjoyed and kisses!